Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, fog lights, bed liner, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.